Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zillow to set rental price targets with market trends, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Zillow to set rental price targets with market trends, start by accessing the Zillow website. Log into your administrative account. Navigate to the Manage Properties section of your dashboard. Select the property you wish to analyze. Click on the Edit option for the selected property. Scroll to the Rental Price section. Here, you will find options to view current market trends. Click on the See Market Trends link for your area. Zillow will display data regarding comparable rental prices in your neighborhood. Review the average price per square foot for similar properties. Compare your property's features with those listed in the market data. Adjust your rental price accordingly based on the analysis. Once you've determined an appropriate price, input it in the rental price field. Make sure to consider factors such as seasonal fluctuation and local demand. After entering the new price, save your changes. Zillow may prompt you to review the adjusted price again. Confirm the adjustments to finalize your rental price target. You can revisit the market trends regularly to keep your pricing competitive. Utilize Zillow's tools to track changes in the rental market over time. Educate yourself on local laws regarding rental pricing. Stay informed about economic indicators that may influence rental trends. Regularly updating your pricing strategy will enhance your property's visibility. Use Zillow alerts for any updates in market trends that could impact your rental price. By following these steps, you can effectively set rental price targets using Zillow, tailored to current market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.